He's an old friend of the family from D.C. I sent him into your store with that story, Al, and you bought it hook, line, and sinker.
Oh, yeah? Well, you better not use your phone for the next 5 minutes because someone's going to be working on your lines.
Oh, that's a nice try, Al. Come on, let's go to the party.
You mean none of that spy stuff was true?
Oh, come on, Al. If I was really involved in espionage, couldn't I have just made one phone call and had Traugott taken out?
I guess.
Well, then what do you think?
And that's a ground out to third. Oh, my God. Ladies and gentlemen, Walter Traugott just fell to the ground from an upper deck luxury box.